Hi everyone, hello. Welcome to my channel. Learn Zulu language. Learn how to speak Zulu language. Who can teach me Zulu language? How can I find myself speaking Zulu language fluently? This is PH Oliver Knowledge and Skills. We are here to equip you. We'll coach you on how to pronounce Zulu language words. We'll coach you how to read as well as to write. So there's a lot of things we are going to cover in our videos. Let us now get into this one. This one is Imfuyo yasemakaya, farm animals or livestock. Welcome back. I hope everyone is ready for our today's lesson. I welcome you all to my channel. May I introduce you to our today's lesson. What is a farm animal? By the way, this is Zulu language lesson 14. We are coming to deal with farm animals. We need to know each and every one, and we will be able to name it one by one. As well as to identify their babies and give their names correctly in English as well as in Zulu. Like I said, this is Polyphant Knowledge and Skills. Your host is PH Oliphant. I'm here to coach you on Zulu language. You are going to learn using our videos. We've got very many different kinds of videos that will help you to learn isiZulu. Imfuyo, livestock or farm animals. What are livestock or farm animals? Farm animals are animals raised or kept primarily for consumption, to generate income and to help with some farm operations. Another name for them is livestock. The difference between the farm animals and the wild animal is that farm animals live among men, while wild animals live in the wild, forest, jungle, etc. Examples of livestock. Farm animals are animals kept or raised on farm. The common ones are goat, sheep, cattle, ox, camel, buffalo, horse, donkey, mule, pig, chicken, turkey, duck, and goose. Some animals are grouped as micro-livestock, and they include rabbits, cane rats, guinea pigs, etc. So, let us get into our today's lesson then. We are going to identify some of the animals that I mentioned in our definition. This is Imfuyo. Imfuyo in English is livestock. Well, now what you see here, you see a horse. A horse in isiZulu is called ihashi. Ihashi. Why do we have this ha? It's because there are two H there in that name of ihashi. If there was one H, we were going to say ihashi. But now the correct pronunciation is ihashi. Ihashi. This is a donkey. A donkey in Zulu is called imbongolo. 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 I hope we'll get this right. This is a cow. A cow in Zulu is called inkomo. 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 This is a goat. A goat is called in Zulu imbuzi. Imbuzi. A goat in Zulu is called imbuzi. 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 This is a sheep. A sheep is called imvu. 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 This is a pig. A pig in Zulu, it is called ingulube. 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 I hope you'll get this right as well. This is a duck. A duck in Zulu, it is called idada. 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 This is a chicken. A chicken is called inkukhu. 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 This is a goat. A colt, I mean. A colt is a baby horse. A baby horse is called a colt. Ne? In isiZulu, it is called ithole. 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 This is a fowl. A fowl is a baby donkey. A baby donkey in isiZulu, it is called ithole. Same as the horse. Ithole. Ithole. This is a calf, a baby cow. A baby cow is called inkonyane. Inkonyane. That is a baby cow. Is called inkonyane. Inkonyane. This is a baby goat. A baby goat is called a kid in English. So then in isiZulu we call it izinyane. 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 This is a baby sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A lamb is called izinyane as well. Like a goat, izinyane. This is a baby pig, which is called a piglet. So a piglet in isiZulu is called ukochi. 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 The baby pig. This is a baby duck, a duckling. A duckling is called ichwane. 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 There's a sound for C, H, and W. That is why we come up with something like ichwa. Ichwane. Ichwane. I hope you'll manage to follow this and to pronounce it correctly. This is a baby chicken, which is called a chick. A chick in Zulu is called ichwane as well. Same like a duck. Ichwane. Ichwane. That's a baby chick. Ingane enkukhu. This is all for today, good people. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. Today was a nice day, isn't it? Rest assured, something is about to happen. In a few months to come, you will be a new person. Do not forget to keep on practicing. So to shape yourself by practicing. Soon and very soon, we are going to construct sentences, dialogues, conversations, and so on and so on. So, good people, please do not forget to push those likes buttons, share, subscribe, invite your friends so that you will be a very big family. To keep this channel running, we need those likes buttons. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed these wonderful lessons, good people. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Do not miss out because there is still a lot to come.